Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can learn more about the Vistara experience in the Vistara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And at the travel info section, click on the plus sign. And then click on the Vistara experience button. So as you can see here, you will learn about everything that makes Vistara a luxurious and outstanding service. So if you want more information, just click on the click here button, and here you can read about their cabins, dining, and seat map, and all of that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.